As you can see, where is it? There we go. And there we go. Got deck lid on, got a lot done on the rear end. We're gonna finish it off today. That's the plan. Everything in the back is gonna be finished. What that entails is running a vapor line from front to back, or from back to front, and hooking up my fuel lines. Right, as you can see, there's a lot done in the back of the car already. Tried filming a video of me rebuilding my axles, but I apparently don't know how to use my camera, and I filmed the whole thing in slow-mo. So you can see that terrible mess. But yeah, there's the fuel lines I need to hook up. They go up into here. The AN fittings as well up in there. Yeah, and there's a little piece of the body I have to bend out of the way in order to hook up the return line. Deck lid's done and on. If I can get the camera over here. Here we go. All right, deck lid's done and on. Hard lines for the fuel pressure regulator done and on. I made a video about that as well. I'll be posting that, but that turned into a disaster, so I really don't know how I'm gonna edit it all. But all the weather stripping's on. Basically got the whole rear of the car done, except for that vapor line and hooking those fuel lines up. So yeah, basically just gotta make the fuel line. I have a roll of coated brake line I'm going to use, because it's pretty much what was on there originally. As well as I have the correct clips to go along the body to hold the vapor line. Right, here they are. As you can see, they're a little rusty. It's not too big of a deal. I got 6 of them, bought them off eBay for 15 bucks. Yeah, I'm happy I have them, so I gotta clean them up. That's what we're gonna do first, and then we're gonna run the line, and then we are going to hook up the fuel line and hopefully start on the front of the vehicle, because I need to get this thing on wheels to move it around. So we're gonna start with cleaning these up. How I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna sandblast them and then paint them, and then they'll be ready to go on the car. So we're gonna go over and do that right now. Here they are. I'll get better light. They are all sandblasted. Just got to clean them off and paint them, and then we can bolt them on the car. This is probably one of the easier jobs I've done so far. All right, got all the clips painted for the vapor line for front to rear. While those were being painted and drying, I started running the crossover lines for the vapor lines to go from, they're on the firewall, they go from the passenger side or driver's side and come out here. So that's what the gas tank hooks up to. And what else did I do while I was driving? Oh yeah, and I hooked up the fuel lines. So those are all hooked up and everything, ready to go. They're ready to get tucked up onto the body and bolted down, but I need to run those clips. Those clips run up into here and they go on the bolts. I'll do them up and then I'll show you what I mean, and then we'll run the vapor line. And yeah, pretty much at a standstill because I need new parts for my fuel pump and fuel filter there, and a couple bits and pieces for the fuel tank. In a location that you can well, that's pretty much the rear of the vehicle all done. Next video, I'm going to start on the front suspension. Unless my fuel parts come in, then I'll redo the fuel pump and everything. But yeah, anyways, got the fuel lines hooked up. There's a vapor line run. They're all, let's see if we can get it, you can see, yeah, kind of. They're all run up there, tucked up onto the body nice. And then come around, got the vapor line that comes out. I know it's hard to see. And then everything shoots up and over to the passenger or driver's side of the vehicle. This is my old fuel pump bracket that's going to be eliminated. There's the fuel lines. Next video will, like I said, hopefully all my fuel components. I'm waiting on little rubber isolators and some dash 10 fittings to go from tank to fuel pump, because previously I had dash 6 and it worked, but I want to run dash 10 just as a feed line to it. I don't know why, just gonna do it anyway. So hopefully those parts come, and then we can start on the front suspension. And the front suspension should be pretty straightforward. I have everything I need for it. There's no modifying or redoing anything. It's literally just going to be bolted on and the way we go. And then we'll be able to put tires on this thing and make it a roller again, which, oh yeah, that'd be awesome. Anyways, thank you for watching. Till next time.
It's a tire and motor